What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. I hope you guys are keeping well. And if you're new to the channel, I am Chris. But just before we continue, go right ahead, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out when we post our videos. Remember to turn on your post notification bell. And today we'll be unboxing this LED light that I purchased from Amazon a few days ago. So, I forgive you guys the good quality contents. We don't want any dark videos. We can't always use a ring light. And mentioning ring light, I'll give you guys a video on the ring light that we're using in another video, not this one. So we're just going to focus on this, the VIJIM LED video light, and I already went ahead and removed the plastic from the package, so we'll just go right into the box. I'll give you some details. I'll leave a link in the description, so if you guys like this product, you can go right ahead and make your purchase from Amazon. It's about $25. I'll confirm that in the video. All right. So I see here where it has color temperature. The battery capacity is 3100 milliamps, and it comes with a Type-C USB card. All right, so we just go right ahead and remove this. And then, first of all, the packaging is lovely, right? Because we could have just gotten this box, but there was this nice sleeve on it with this plastic texture, right? So I guess it gives you a feel of what the actual light is supposed to feel like. But it says save money on lights, and you guys can definitely save some money on this ring light. So this is the package, and we're just going to go right into it. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and open the box. And as you can see, it has a little bit of instruction here and as how to install the colored papers. I'd love to show you guys that in a while. All right. So this is the actual light, the USB Type-C for your charging, and it comes with this cold shoe so that you can mount your light, as well as it has these little colored paper like stated earlier, so this can give your light a different shade. All right, and we have our manual. Yep. So let's move this box out the way. Let's get this out of the plastic. All right. So this is actually a diffuser, and this is the actual light. All right. So just in case you don't want the light to be too bright in your face, you put the diffuser on it, and it works perfect. All right. Before we go any further, since we're talking about the diffuser, these are placed on the inside like this, and then you will put your light on it and then turn it on, but we're not quite there as yet, so let's move on. So on the side of the light, which feels good, build quality is really nice on this. So you'll see you have your area right here where you can mount your light. Oops. And as you can see, this comes double, so you can tighten the light at the top just like that. And when you attach this to the other section, you can just tighten it down to this side. All right, so your light will be secured on whatever stand that you put it on. All right, so on the side we have our off and on button. We have our dim, as well as we can change the temperature of the light. All right. So this light should give us some good results. I'm going to give you a test of how it actually looks with the lights off, so you can get a true feel of what this light can do. So we'll just go right ahead and we'll turn it on. As you can see, we turn it down, we turn it up, and we'll just change the temperature, as you can see right there. All right, but like I say, I'll turn the lights off so that you guys can get a better view of what is actually going on. All right, so when we turn it on, you can see at the side here you have the USB Type-C port. You also have your LED indicator to show you the percentage or the level at which your battery is at on that side. So that's basically all the controls and the ports on this LED light, but I'm sure that this will be providing us with great lighting to provide you guys with great content. All right, so with that being said, let's just turn the light off, turn this one on, and then we'll show you guys exactly what is happening. All right, guys, so as you can see, the only light that is in the room right now is the light behind us for the television. All right, so here we go with test number 1. All right, so it's on the lowest and it's on warm. So we'll just turn up the brightness. I hope you guys are seeing me very well. As you can see, this is great amount of light, and we'll just change the temperature to cool to give it that white light. And as you can see, the room is now well lit. Voila. All right, remember we added that colored paper to the diffuser. I'm just going to add the light now to that diffuser, and then this is our result. So you can always have your pink light in your background. I hope you guys can still see me, by the way. I think this is enough light. All right, and we'll just make a quick change to that, and I'll give it the blue. All right. This is the blue light, guys. So you guys will be seeing this light in a lot of our videos, especially if we're shooting at nights, because this can be easily tucked away in the background or even on this decks, giving us a different shade to the light that is in the room. All right, so I'll just remove this and give you a comparison with and without the diffuser. So even on the brightest light, look what happens. So the diffuser makes the light even easier to look at. So when this is pointing at you, the LED is not directly affecting the eyes, because now it's a softer light to manage. Sorry, I'm not getting this, guys. So the light now is soft enough to not be so harsh on the eyes. All right, guys. Yes, guys. So if you're looking to create contents in low light situations, or you just need some different shades, I would recommend you guys check the link in my description. Purchase yours on Amazon now, and you guys will not regret it. I guarantee you that. So, you will definitely be enjoying more contents from us. And like I said in the beginning of the video, please subscribe, as we will have more reviews on other products, as well as we will have many more contents to come, and you guys will be entertained, educated, and we're just going to enjoy ourselves on the channel. So until next time, guys, see you later.